The recent surge in gun violence, which has tragically claimed lives, has prompted grieving families and community members to demand an end to these violent incidents.
We have to stop the gun violence because that's not bringing us nowhere. All the young fellas just dying, getting killed for nothing. That's all I have to say. They have to stop that.
Something has to be done. It cannot continue like that. I mean, we've been hearing that other people getting shot and things like that. But when it happens to your family, then you're really feeling it. It has to stop. It cannot continue.
Well, it can't go in St. Lucia is very critical, you know. It's critical a whole lot. And then we need to really put a stop to that.
The growing number of gun-related crimes has pushed local figures to advocate for a more compassionate and caring society. Health Minister Honorable Jn Baptiste has repeatedly expressed concern over the impact of this escalating violence on St. Lucia's already fragile healthcare system. According to the minister, violent crimes are placing increased pressure on emergency rooms, which now require additional resources and personnel to manage the influx of victims. Speaking ahead of Parliament on Tuesday, September 10th, Jn Baptiste emphasized that certain cases now require greater attention and resources at the healthcare level as the system grapples with the strain of gun-related injuries and trauma.
Certain cases that they are caring for, patients that they are caring for, and you need more hands on deck at the emergency room. So certainly it calls for even more resources, greater resources.
Jn Baptiste further noted that the anxiety and concern within communities are rising in response to the violence, with many calling for immediate solutions to the ongoing crisis.
We don't speak only about the injuries and the hospitalizations. There is a big area of mental health and how the community deals with that and how families deal with it. And we see a rise in loneliness and concern and worry in the community. So it is a very big issue, and crime as a public health issue, violence as a public health issue, has caused so many conferences to be held around the Caribbean and also in St. Lucia. So definitely it is on our agenda.
The health minister expressed hope that these challenges could be dealt with over time, but stressed that collaborative efforts are essential in restoring peace and ensuring the safety of all citizens. Shane Stephen, NBC Prime.